Okay, what's up everybody on YouTube? I am Sleazy, and today, what is up everybody on YouTube? This is the first video I'm gonna have on this channel. So this is the 2021 Kawasaki KX85. As you can see, I have the plates taken off because I will be replacing the stock exhaust soon for a Pro Circuit R-304, and I'm going to do a sound comparison on those two. Starting with the stock exhaust, this is the exhaust it comes with. Pretty basic exhaust, looks fine on the bike. But yeah, so everything is normal, pretty much everything is stock on this bike. No engine modifications other than the clutch. The clutch plates were damaged in a race I did in Mesquite. So, yeah, let's get this bike fired up. Okay, now we have the bike fired up, and let's see how it sounds. Okay, so that was with the choke on because, well, it's pretty much freezing outside. So yeah, it's snowed out completely. It gets to negative temperatures here in Utah. Well, as of this year, it's been getting to negative temperatures. So I just needed to warm the bike up, but we're gonna turn the choke off and let's fire the bike up again. Okay, now here it is with the choke off. And it died. But yeah, so that is the 2021 KX85. So yeah, that was the choke and no choke comparison. So the first one was no choke, or choke on, and then the second one was with the choke off. So this bike, if it's cold and you turn the choke on, it's gonna take about 30 kicks to turn up. And if you crash on this bike, it's going to take even more kicks to turn on. And for the majority of a race, or if you're trail riding, you're going to sit there the majority of the time just trying to kick it instead of actually racing. But yeah, so that was the 2021 KX85 choke versus no choke comparison. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.